We all have our vision of our ultimate outdoor oasis. Pool parties and barbecues with family and friends creating memories. Well now, the fun doesn't have to end once the sun goes down. Nowadays, the innovations in outdoor designs have made our backyards an extra living space.
Pinch A Penny has been the trusted name for expert service in and around our pools for more than 45 years. Now they're using the same professional approach to offer a variety of new home services. I'm here to meet up with Brad, owner of a local Pinch A Penny in Florida.
Pinch A Penny has over 260 locations throughout the South and Southeast. You're a franchise owner. What's the most rewarding thing that you get to do with your customers?
I think it's just helping the customers. You become part of the community. And all the Pinch A Pennies are locally owned and operated by families that actually live right there in the community.
And you get to know them on a first name basis, I would imagine, by seeing them week after week, month after month.
Absolutely. We have those customers that come in religiously, whether it's a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. They're always in, and it's great to see them.
Brad, for over 45 years, Pinch A Penny Pool, Patio, and Spa, a leader in the industry. Tell us about some of the services you guys provide.
Outside of our normal services that everybody knows and loves Pinch A Penny for, we have pool renovations, pressure washing, screen repair, outdoor living spaces, including outdoor kitchens, and we're going into a new area as well.
Which is going to be outfitted this house with some brand new exterior lighting that really is going to have an incredibly great design effect on the house. How does this all work?
Yeah, so customer calls in or they see one of our projects maybe in their neighborhoods, they call us up, we come out and give them a custom design, that's free of charge, and we just listen to the customer. What do they want to accomplish out of their lighting? Some of them have a great idea, some may need a little bit of help along the way. But nonetheless, we give them a custom design of their entire home and within their budget.
There are two major qualities in illumination: color, temperature, and beam angle. Both can affect the appearance and change what lighting can accomplish. Brad and others at Pinch A Penny have helped many residents throughout Florida, Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, and Georgia bring their homes to life after dark with style.
So how about the actual fixtures themselves? I would imagine you have all different types of styles to match all different types of homes and landscapes, modern, traditional, transitional. What are we doing on this house?
Yeah, so for this particular customer, we're going with path lights and spotlights. But beyond that, depending upon what the customer needs, we've got in-grade well lights, we've got floodlights, or even underwater lights, maybe if they have a fountain or something.
Which really is a nice effect and also adds a level of safety and security to the home. A well-lit home is a safe home.
Yeah, I would say, most consumers, it's they want the safety first, and the ambiance of everything is really secondary. So it just creates a very nice, safe feature, and the house is all nicely lit.
So after we come up with the design plan, how easy is it for one of your professionals to install the exterior lighting?
Well, I'm not going to say it's easy, but our team will come out. They're going to put everything exactly where we had in the design scope. Everything is 12 volt. It's safe for your kids, safe for the pets. All the cables are going to be all run so that at nighttime you can just enjoy the lights. And all of the fixtures are brass, and they're of extreme quality, professional quality, that you're never going to have to worry about them. Matter of fact, they all have a lifetime warranty.
Brad, for a homeowner who may be undecided about taking on a project in exterior lighting with Pinch A Penny, what would you tell them?
I would tell them that the outdoor lighting is going to increase safety around their home. It's going to create great ambiance for their home, as well as it's completely energy efficient.
And as far as the energy efficiency, what's the average cost per year to run the lights?
So for a 12 light system, if you're running that 6 hours a night, you're looking at about $7 a year.
Wow, you can't beat that to improve your property. Brad, thank you so much for being a part of this.
My pleasure.
To learn more and get a free quote on landscape lighting, pool renovations, and other outdoor living services, or to find out how you can become a Pinch A Penny franchise owner like Brad, visit pinchapenny.com/designingspaces. And of course, visit designingspaces.tv.